All right, guys, hope everybody's having a great night tonight or great day wherever you guys are today. We're going to be making some crossbody bags or purses for the Labubu. There's going to be two versions of this. This is version 1, it's a little bit rounder. Version 2 is a little bit flatter. So we're going to make both versions today. We're probably going to start off with this round one here, but what you'll need is just some worsted weight yarn. I like to use all of my amigurumi patterns with worsted weight or medium weight yarn. We also use a G hook, which is 4 millimeters. You can also use an F hook, which is 3.75 millimeters. You're also going to need a yarn needle and some scissors. So without further ado, let's make our Labubu purses / side bags here. All right, so for the Labubu shoulder bag, we're gonna start with the kind of rounder version one first. You're gonna wanna start off with a magic ring of 6. That's gonna be 6 single crochets in a magic ring. So let's make our magic ring, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you're gonna tighten that ring up here. And then for the next round, round 2, we're gonna do 6 increases for a total of 12 stitches here for round 2. So this is 1 increase, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so for the next 3 rounds here, rounds 3, 4, and 5, we're just gonna single crochet 12. Let's get some guide yarn here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's round 3. Going into round 4. Again, just single crocheting all the way around. And we're entering round 5 here. Okay, so at the end of round 5, for round 6, you're gonna wanna single crochet 12. And at the end of that, we'll pull out the guide yarn. You're gonna wanna chain 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And then we're gonna slip stitch back in to here, which we're actually gonna count 6 away, or we can kind of fold this flat. So we're gonna be running right here, so that's 6 stitches away from where we were. And we're just gonna slip stitch right into this stitch right here. So let's slip into there, chain 1, pull that through, cut it off. We're gonna tie in this loose end here. Tying in the loose end. Okay, let's cut that off. All right, let's put that on our Labubu. And these will fit all the versions of Labubus. Here I have the Have a Seat and the exciting macaron one. So there is our first bag here. So as you can see, it's a little bit rounder there. All right, let's make the other bag. Hi, I'm Michael from Knotmonster. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please take the time to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can be the first to see my new videos and new content. If you want to learn more about crochet or you want to see more patterns, I have an Etsy store. Check it out. It's knotmonster.etsy.com. Or if you want a paperback version, I do have books on Amazon. I've got books such as my Pink Edition book, my Balloon Animal book, and my Knotmonster's Potted Plant book. Those are all available paperback copies at Amazon. Just search Knotmonsters in the search bar. Anyways, let's get back to the crochet. All right, so for the more flat version of our bag, the shoulder bag here, we're gonna start by chaining 7. So let's do a chain of 7 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to turn starting in the second chain from hook. We're going to single crochet 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we're going to go around the chain here and single crochet 6. Let's go around the chain. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut off this loose end here. All right. Get some guide yarn. So for the next couple rows here, so for rounds 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, so that'll be 5 total rounds. We're just gonna single crochet 12 all the way around. So we're just going around for the next couple rounds here. So this will be round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's round 2. Go into round 3. Just 12 all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, go into round 4. Okay, going into round 5. And then going into round 6. Okay, so this is round 6. So when you're at the end of round 6, take off our guide yarn there. You're gonna wanna just single crochet 1, then chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And then we're gonna count 6 stitches away from where we are and then slip into this stitch right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna slip stitch right here. There we go. We're gonna cut that. Tie it off. We're going to just tie this off. Okay, cut it. And there is our cross bag. That's a little bit flatter, as you can see. Not really so round on the bottom. Let's put them on. Okay, so that's kind of what that bag looks like. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope you had a great time making these. I know I did. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Also, tag me at Knotmonster on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations. I love to see how they turn out. So please, please, please tag me in those. All right, guys. I hope you had a great time. We'll see you in the next video.